Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage access to a document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just find a document that we would like to manage access to. Tap on the three dots next to it. Then tap on Manage Access, and here we have multiple options. Now it's in restricted mode. Only people added can open with the link, but we can change this by tapping on Change, then tapping on this, and then changing it to anyone with the link. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.